Before you start thinking of doing something foolish, just imagine yourselves wearing the yellow uniform na may malaking PDL, Person Deprived of Liberty. At naandun at kasama yung kumakain ng ginisang munggo. This is a continuation of the hearing last December to investigate allegations that BIR personnel have been abusing letters of authority.
We are here to present the audit reforms we committed to implement. We created the Technical Working Group Review Committee on Assessment Integrity and Audit Reform.
We speak of audit reforms, pero the harder question is, may nanagot po ba?
Ang isang talagang key para maiwasan yung corruption, di ba, transparency. Kasi kung hindi rin alam ng public, lulukuhin din sila ng mga salbaheng BIR.
Mr. Chair, ngayon nga po, hirap na tayo sa foreign investments. We really have to fix our system at pakita natin transparencies.
Wala tayong pera for this year.
At this point nga po, bago po yung sistema, we do not profess na foolproof po ito. Definitely, meron kaming makikitang mga problema.
So ngayon narinig natin yung bagong reforma na system-generated na kung sino po yung i-audit, and at the same time, it has to go through the Commissioner's Office.
You can only succeed if you learn from the lessons of the past. Kung pag-iisip tayo ng konting kalokohan, imagine na lang sarili natin na naka-yellow uniform at naandun at kasama yung kumakain ng ginisang munggo. Sana magsama-sama na lang tayo sa reform. So anyway, good luck and congratulations. May the force be with you.